Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by this video. I'm Nikia Pleasant, and today I'm going to be telling you guys 5 hacks and a few different apps for you to use to elevate your Instagram story. I did a poll on Instagram actually, so if you don't follow me, go ahead and follow me right there. But I did a poll a few days back asking you guys just to let me know what questions you guys had about video editing and just Instagram editing, and majority of the questions were about Instagram, so we're just going to focus on that today. But I'm going to put a screen record up of my phone showing you guys how I edit. The first tip that I have for you guys is, so go into Instagram and you're gonna choose, so this photo I took, I'm gonna take that off, but so this is a photo I took, and say I want to layer it, I'm gonna go to my photos, I'm gonna just go here, and then I'm gonna click this, and then I'm just gonna act like I'm sharing, but I'm not, and I'm just gonna copy the photo. It's downloading. I have iCloud, forgive me, give it a second. So then you're just gonna go back in, so don't close out the whole Instagram app, and then you see it pops up here, add sticker, and that's how you do that, and it's super pretty and cute, and then you can add whatever you want, whatever, and you can do this multiple times. Use your creativity, guys, and like really see, pretty cool. But yeah, so that's how you do that, and super easy. That was like one of the #1 questions of how we do it. Y'all seeing photos y'all ain't supposed to see. So the next trick is the eraser app. So like I'm gonna use the same photo, not the eraser app, the eraser hack. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the pen tool here, and you're gonna select a color. If you don't know this, if you hold down one of the colors, you can kind of keep your finger and drag it along the color grid and get whatever color you are wanting. So we're just gonna do this color. We're gonna put it down like that, and then we're gonna use the eraser tool, make it as big as you want, and you can do stuff like that. And it's super chill and easy. The next hack I have for y'all is, so I'm gonna tell y'all about getting higher quality images to your story, so that Instagram doesn't like dilute them down or like, you know, press the quality down. So let me go to I'll go to Dropbox, and this photo is pretty high quality. So I'm gonna go to edit up top here, and then I'm gonna crop in, zoom it back out first, and then you're gonna go up to the crop bar at the top right next to the 3 dots, that one. And then you're gonna press 9:16, because that is the dimensions of an Instagram story, and then that way you can move around or edit how you want to edit. So I'm just gonna crop right here, done, and then I'm gonna go into that Dropbox folder and find the picture. There it is. And then now Instagram is not trying to squeeze the photo down to fit into it or nothing like that. It's just there, super high quality. Oh, and the next hack I have is, so I'm gonna take a blank photo, and then we're gonna make the background different colors. Okay, so let's do like this. Put like a number, put a letter, and then do a space, and then do another letter, and then do like that, and then push the block button, I don't know, the border button, and then just zoom in like so, All right, and then you're just gonna repeat that process, and then another one, and then I'm just gonna go a little darker like that. And then you can do it one more time. Wait. And like so, you know, zoom in. And I'm such a perfectionist, but there you have. Now you have, and then you can like say we want to go here. Let's go to this. No, I want to choose something different. Let's go here. Choose this photo and copy that photo. Put it, boom, period. My other trick is, my other hack is basically, so what you're gonna do is, say you have a photo. Okay, let me find a decent photo. I was posting this, right? But I wanted to, like, you know, kind of promote it or whatever. So I would go to my text, do like hashtag fashion editorial. Alright. But what I do is I usually kind of put it as the same color as the background there, make it super small, and it blends in pretty much. Blends in pretty well. Just put it really, really small in little corner areas or areas where people are not really gonna tap at. And you can post it and you get more views on your story and you get more exposure. And it's really good to do that when you are on location, or it's like a big hashtag for like something going on, or just stuff like that. Like, it's really good to use. So yeah, those are like the few hacks that I have. I tried to pull out some stuff that wasn't already on YouTube already, because these kind of videos are super popular. I want to show y'all a few different apps that I use. Let me start this screen record again. But alright, so the first app that I use is Unfold for my stories. A lot of people use this app. If you don't know about it, here you go, girl. But basically, so I have this one. So this is like, you can kind of do layouts for your story and do like different things. Like if you ever wondered how people got like this film look on their photos or anything like that. And these are photos of Chanel that I took, my sis Chanel. You guys can go follow her. I'll link her channel up there. But you can also even add like your own little gifts and stuff like that. These are all videos, but I kept the sound to only that one. The rest of them don't have sound. But yeah, you could do stuff like that, and it's super cool. And they have a whole bunch of different. They aren't all free. You can pay for like the premium, however you say that word, membership. You can pay for it, and you can get whatever you want. So I paid for it for this. I think it's $2.99, girl. I don't know. It's really cheap though. It's super cheap. Next app I use is VSCO or VSCO Cam. I actually love this. This is what I really use a lot. I use this all the time to, you know, do quick edits. You guys might have seen this one. This one is from my last current favorites video, if you haven't watched that. But in all my selfies, I pretty much edit here, like just quick stuff that I did on my phone. But if I do it like on a camera, like those pictures of Chanel I took on the camera, so I decided to edit in Lightroom because they were like raw files, some of them. But yeah, like I love VSCO. You can do so much with it. The editing is really, like, you have so many options for presets that are on. These are all the free ones right here. So imagine going to all these back here that are like paid. It's like you have the options are limitless. They even added a lot of more different you can do a lot more now on VSCO. You used to couldn't be able to touch like the white balance or the tones too much. You can do split tones now, so there's just a lot of stuff you can like play with and do. All right, so the last app I want to show you guys is Canva, and this is like my holy grail app. Like, this is what I use to do every single thing on my story, pretty much. Like, majority of things besides what I already showed y'all, but like especially for my YouTube and stuff, when I post about that, it's all here. I'll show you guys my thing here, but like every single thing y'all see, I just use it. And y'all, I'm so lazy. Like, I just go on here, I go to Instagram story, I browse through, I see what I like. You can even like, they literally have Instagram story templates for every single thing. Like, even these bingo things that everyone's playing right now because we're all bored, like every single thing like is on here, even for like any like occasions and things like that. Like if you have your own business, you can do like sales and things like that. Just a whole bunch of stuff. Some of the features might be like premium features, like as far as you might not be able to download it unless you pay, but you can always just take it out and replace it with something else, sis. Sometimes I just like the colors, sometimes I change the colors, sometimes I move things around. Like this one I kind of built my own, this one I changed the colors, I moved some stuff around. I even do my YouTube thumbnails here, and I kind of just go by, I always keep everything. I try to, well, this one I didn't use, but like for these two, these are what I use, and I try to keep the title over here and like a picture or something. Just keep the title away from like where the number would be for the timestamp on the video on YouTube. Start blank. You already have the dimensions set for you, so you don't need to be thinking too hard about what the dimensions are. You can do your logos, you can do posters, flyers. They have all types of media posts for Instagram, like literally everything, and it looks so much more professional. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope it answered all y'all questions that y'all keep sending me. Next time y'all ask, I'm about to hit you with the link, period. I'm just kidding, y'all. I'll still answer, but thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell. Please go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I am going to be opening up more polls, ask you guys more questions about what I should talk about. What else? Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, do all that, and I will see y'all in the next video.